Audio Jungle.
About the session that we have on animal disease and what farmers should be thinking about when they're expanding and bringing in more cows into the system.
Well, it's a two-part session, Con, and the first part of the session is Andrew and Claire Brewer from Cornwall will very generously share with us their experience when they were expanding a number of years ago and when they ran into a very severe herd health problem, and would say that the costs and the concerns of that, will say. So I think that's useful for everybody, you know, that when a farming family share their experiences. And the other side of the session then is Rena Sayers, and she's going to talk about, we'll say, the particular risks associated with herd expansion. You could almost pose it, Con, as a question, you know, that if you've 100 cows or 150 and you're thinking you're going to 200 or 250 or whatever, and you've good cows and very good herd health, does it make sense to actually buy in, or would it make more sense to take, you know, get there over 2 or 3 years, would say, via your own replacements? And raises the issue of, if you decide to buy in, what sort of protocols, what sort of, exactly what sort of precautions does it make sense to do? And then when you hear the herd, the expanding herd, you know, back home, are there particular things, vaccinations or whatever, that you might actually implement in the first couple of years of a major expansion program? So Rena will touch on all those kind of issues, because I think we'll say for farmers who have very good herd health at the moment probably don't realise the absolute benefit of that as compared to when herd health really gets cocked up. Sayers is she's one of the very, very strong veterinary team in Moore Park, and Rena, she is a wonderful speaker who's able to cover just about the total waterfront in terms of health problems that come up, and she's particularly appreciated by farmers because she uses, without using jargon, she actually communicates the essence, we'll say, of herd health problems, what farmers should do, very, very clearly.
Audio Jungle.